In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide photos on your iPhone to keep them private and secure. Let's get started. First, open the Photos app and find the photo or album you want to hide. Tap on the photo to open it. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Hide from the drop-down menu. A pop-up will ask you to confirm. Just tap Hide Photo. The photo will now be moved to the Hidden album, which you can find under the Albums tab in the Utilities section. But here's the important part. The hidden album is still visible by default. To make it fully private, go to Settings, Apps, Photos, and turn off the toggle next to Hidden Album. Now, the hidden album will be completely invisible in the Photos app. Your photos are now hidden and secure on your iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.